siya, talaga nagpakita siya at nagpa-interview sa... Okay. So ngayon, nag-aantabay pa rin po tayo.
Ay sana ipayagang mag-conduct ng hearing. Natuto eh.
Okay.
Dahil...
Re-resolve ba, Senador? Ikaw nandun ka sa Oakwood. Nandun na pong pagkilos sa Manila Pen, Maris Umali. Go ahead, Maris.
SWAT team dahil karami na rin tayong mga putukan na, no? May kaliwa nitong okay, dito sa bahaging yan ng area to ng building na to ng
Observing what's happening.
so alam na ho nila.
Ayan, pagtakpo po ng...
Kanya-kanyang
Go
takbo
ahead.
itong group.
Kung saan media pa ang nagbasa. Okay, average breaking news po ito, hindi po tayo bumitaw. Ang media ay nasa loob pa rin. Ang video na napapanood nyo ay...
kitchen area.
Oo. Pero definitely ito'y lulusubin na, no?
sa may front lobby at meron...
Yes.
Okay, Doland, eto na, live kayo now.
Dito sa kanyang kinakausap na si General Danny Lim.
Okay.
Kare po to, pangatlo na ito. Ito pa isa. Yan, tatlo na.
Ang plano ng PNP, ang plano nga nilang pasok. Samantala po, patuloy ang ating coverage, ang ABS.
Paano alam nila? Ayun, no? Nakita mo yung usok doon, no? May
sa loob. Ang pinupwestuhan namin ngayon, sinusubukan natin pero ayaw pa akong bayagan.
Okay.
Dahil
Kasi kanina...
dito sa labas, dahil dito, dinig na dinig mo yung mga sunod-sunod na putukan, parlance, ang kanilang posisyon ngayon, pero mas relax.
Good afternoon, Corina. No?
Okay, good afternoon po sa inyo. Sa reklamo ng ilan naman sa mga nakausap din po natin sa labas.
Accounted for, ibig sabihin, lahat ay loyal sa gobyerno. Kaya hindi nakaposisyon na itong mga malto dito sa first floor, makikita ko na.
Okay, Pinky, itong tier... Kasama po niya si Attorney RG Guevara at JB...
Recklessness niya, may kita nyo na walang pakundangan ng Malacanang at ang order na ibinigay sa Armed Forces of the Philippines ay to the...
Well, we are being tear gassed.
Conference mula naman sa Malacanang, Secretary Toting Bunya nagsasalita. Ni dating pangalawang Pangulong Ginggona dahil
Pero sinabi na definitely within the day dapat matapos ito at malaki naman yung hotel lobby para magkasa yung tangke. Ayun, nabasag na ang pintuan. Pero
Alright, pwede ba nating, alright, siguro ni Senador Trillanes para makuha ang kanyang mga reaksyon. Mula sa iba't ibang mga sektor. Ito po, si Vice President Jofiso Ginggona nakasama po ng Manila Peninsula Lobby.
Ako po ay tumayo rito ngayong araw na to upang gampanan po. Upang gampanan ang aking tungkulin bilang dating sundalo at ngayon ay senador ng bayan. Ang katungkulan na yon ay tumayo na para sa mga karapatan ng mga naapi. Subalit nakita po natin lahat kung hanggang saan po ang gagawin nitong administrasyon na to para lang makahawak sa poder ng kapangyarihan. So you have been witnesses and victims of the kind of ruthlessness this administration had been giving to the people. Now, like soldiers, we're going to face this.
How are you going to face it? How?
Whatever.
Are you staying, sir?
No. Whatever they would want to do with me.
Are you surrendering?
Like I said before, we're going up for the sake of the safety of everybody.
General Lim.
So you're giving...
So, kanyang pinabanggit na handa nilang harapin?
Yes, for your sake, because we cannot afford or we will not live with our conscience if some of you would get hurt or get killed in the crossfire. We cannot afford that. We won't live with our conscience with that.
Sir, what happens now? What happens now?
Like I said, I'm going to face it.
But how are you going to face it, sir?
I don't know. It's really up to them.
consequences ng decision.
Alright, si Senador Trillanes po ngayon ay nagdesisyon na sila po daw ay haharap sa anuman ang kailangan nilang harapin na konsekwensya ng kanilang mga ginawa ngayong araw na ito sa kanilang desisyon na palabasin na ang mga sibilyan at ang mga media upang hindi na magdanak ng dugo at hindi pa nila tahasang sinasabi ngunit sila tila ay susuko na. Ito po si General Danny Lim.
Action is consent. Dissent without action is consent. What we did was in consonance with our solemn constitutional mandate to be the protector of the people and the state.
You don't see defeat here. You don't see that you're defeated. That you lasted only a few hours and you have to retreat.
This is a continuing business. So apparently, there's unfinished business here.
Sir, ibig sabihin may mga plano pa. You're ready for the consequences.
Of course.
So practically, sir, this is not the end.
Of course not.
May mga susunod na haba.
It did.
Well, it did. It did materialize.
Saan po sila? Wala nang
They were everywhere. If
I'm a supporter. You're just
I'm a supporter. I'm a civilian.
you're ready to be thrown in jail as well?
Pero kailangan nilang mag-surrender sa mga orsinto dahil nakatayo.
well, like what the what General Lim said, dissent without action is consent. If you would recall, one of my main voter base is the AFP. And I'm I'm convinced that most of them sympathize with our cause. And that's enough for us for now. But eventually, it will be their turn to live up to their mandate as the protectors of the people and the state.
Para sa kanila, kay General Lim at Trillanes, naipahayag na nila ang kanilang punto at hindi pa daw tapos.
This is not
Ang
our
lahat.
loss. What we did here is our obligation to the people. We are public servants. We have to stand up for them. And what we did is just fulfilling that obligation. So this is not a loss. If somebody lost here, it's the whole nation. Because at the end of the day, at the end of this crisis, GMA will still be there. And you have seen the past 7 years what that entailed. Well, like I said earlier, itong ginawa po namin na to, obligasyon. We have no other recourse. Remember, ako ho, pumasok po ako sa politika, binoto po ako ng tao, pero ano po ang ginawa nila sa akin? They disrespected the more than 11 million votes that I got. Hindi nila binigyan ng representation yung mga bumoto na yan. And aside from that, I was voted because people believe in, or I symbolize change to them. They believe that I can stand up for their rights.